PT Markers Editor is a native macOS application built for modern professional audio and post-production environments. Designed to simplify complex marker management workflows, the application allows users to view, edit, organize, and export Pro Tools memory location markers without needing to work directly inside Pro Tools itself. Built using the Pro Tools Scripting SDK, PTME integrates directly with Pro Tools to provide a fast and efficient workflow for post-production professionals. The application is designed for film and television supervising sound editors, dialogue and sound editors, music producers and recording engineers, sound designers working with large Pro Tools sessions, and assistant sound editors managing markers and metadata. For this demonstration, we are using a Pro Tools session specifically prepared to showcase several key features of PTME. As you can see, markers are distributed across all 5 marker rulers, as well as multiple audio tracks. Some markers contain general session properties such as zoom settings, pre- and post-roll times, track visibility, track heights, group enable states, window layouts. The final markers in the list do not contain time properties and are used to recall general startup configurations. Now let's switch back to PTME and import all markers from the session. Clicking the Props button reveals the general marker properties. For this example, we will remove memory locations 9990 through 9999. Next, we'll select all markers containing general properties. Using Option plus Click, we move the selected markers to Marker Ruler 5. We then change their color code to blue and assign the warning icon. In the Batch Renumber section, we renumber the selected markers starting at 50. PT Markers Editor then exports the updated markers back to the Pro Tools session. Because of the way Pro Tools handles general properties, PTME must individually recall each marker before modifying its data. Now let's move on to markers with time properties. We repeat the same workflow. Shift plus click to select markers. Option plus click to modify track names, icons, and color codes. Next, we renumber all markers assigned to Marker Ruler 4, starting at 40. Finally, we renumber all remaining markers starting from 1. Let's switch to Pro Tools and recall the markers containing general properties to confirm that everything has been updated correctly. PT Markers Editor also supports opening and saving Pro Tools marker text files. Additionally, the application can import cue lists from CSV or TXT files and automatically export them as markers directly into the active Pro Tools session. PT Markers Editor currently supports macOS Ventura 13 or later, Apple Silicon processors, and Pro Tools 2025.6 and newer. Learn more at www.diegeticsound.com.